Top of the morning to you and happy St. Patrick's Day, my friends. Hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 269 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I am very excited about this video. I am participating in the St. Patrick's Day collaboration with a group of YouTubers. For our collaboration, I'm going to make a Kool-Aid pie. That's right, sugar, Kool-Aid pie. This is the bomb.com. It's going to be so creamy, delicious, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And if you're a fan of Kool-Aid and pie, y'all would enjoy this recipe. And the best part, no baking required. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. So grab your cream cheese and your Kool-Aid sugar because we're about to make some Kool-Aid pie magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And we're going to add in 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese that let come to room temperature. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. 1 teaspoon of lime extract. And we're going to add in 1 package of Kool-Aid mix. I'm using lemon lime, or you can use any flavor Kool-Aid. And this is optional. I'm going to add just a few drops of green food coloring. So all we do is mix everything until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing everything together. Look at that pretty green color. I can smell the lemon, the lime extract, and the vanilla. Alright, that looks great. There's one more thing we got to add to it. We're going to add in some whipped cream, and I use 1.5 cups of cold heavy whipping cream and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And I whipped it until it reaches white soft peak. And all we do is fold the whipped cream in. Alright my friends, I'm through folding the whipped cream in. Now we're ready to pour the batter into the graham cracker crust. I'm using a 9-inch graham cracker crust. Alright my friends, I got the filling into the pie crust. Now we're going to pop it in the refrigerator. We're going to let it chill until it's nice and firm. Alright my friends, there you have it. Kool-Aid pie. Don't that look gorgeous and it's nice and firm? And I garnished it with some whipped cream and a wedge of lemon lime. After all, it's a lemon lime flavor. Alright, I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. And now for the moment of truth. Here we go. Ooh yeah, look at that, nice and creamy. Melts in your mouth. Bursting with lemon lime goodness. I could taste the Kool-Aid. This is some marvelous Kool-Aid pie, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. So delightful. This is a vanilla bite. Kool-Aid pie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and happy St. Patrick's Day.